You are welcome to today's class. We want to discuss a very important question from one of the standardized examination body, and it is from mechanics, physics, relating to velocity time graph. It says the two positions of a body undergoing a uniformly accelerated motion are 10 seconds at 10 meters per second and 30 seconds at 50 meters per second on a velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. So the relationship is velocity and time. We are asked to calculate the magnitude of the acceleration of the body. So because it's a velocity time graph, it's a two-dimensional plane. So you have this. This is velocity and this is time. When the body is moving at the velocity of 10 meters per second, the time was 10 seconds. So at 10 meters per second for velocity, 10v, the time it took the body to move was 10 seconds. And then when the body increased the velocity to 50 meters per second, the time was 30 seconds. So this is 50v. I take this as 50 velocity. The time was 30 seconds. Okay, so if we join these 2 points, this is a straight line. Can join this together. So this is a straight line movement. And then from this section, I can get the slope of the body. Now this is related to slope. Can take this to form a triangle. The whole of this point you see here is change in velocity. And the whole of this space you see here is change in time, instantaneous. Okay, we're already going to calculus. So how do we get the magnitude of the acceleration? This is the first velocity. So my acceleration, A, is change in velocity over change in time. That is the slope of the graph. So what is change in velocity? 50 minus 10 over change in time, 30 minus 10. And this is going to give us 40 over 20. And if we divide this and take this, I'm going to have 2 meters per second squared, 2.0. So the magnitude of acceleration of the body A is 2.0 meters per second squared. So this is how to solve this kind of problem. And if you look at the option, the correct option is B. So please save this video, you watch it again. You see that this is self-explanatory. Follow us on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.